Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the solar eclipse. You know, a solar eclipse is gonna take place on the 4th of December 2021. You know, some people on the internet are trying to scare some people. They are trying to create fear in some people, and they are saying that this particular solar eclipse will not be a positive one. They are telling y'all that it will be a negative one for you. They are telling y'all that the sun and the moon are gonna get affected by the planets Rahu and Ketu. I mean the shadowy planets Rahu and Ketu. Hence, they are creating that fear in you. They are creating a scare in you. So, at this point in time, I want to tell y'all, I want to give y'all a good news that this particular solar eclipse is going to be a positive one. It is going to be a positive one for all the human beings of this planet Earth. I will tell you how this particular solar eclipse will be beneficial for you. How will it benefit you in your present as well as in your future? You know, as we all know that the planets Sun, Moon, Mercury and Ketu will be in the Scorpio sign, and the planet Rahu will be aspecting all these planets during the solar eclipse. Solar eclipse basically affects the planet Sun, and the planet Sun represents power, energy, courage, bravery, your soul, government officials, high-ranked officials, the kings of the state, your immunity, your willpower, your eyesight, your intelligence, your magnetism, your charisma, etc., etc., etc. So your soul is gonna get affected at this point in time. But this soul, the planet Sun getting affected during this time will produce a positive result for you. No one will tell you the positive sides of this solar eclipse. You know, this soul which is gonna get affected by the planet Rahu and Ketu will stir your soul. It will make you get up from that slumber you are in. If you are lying dormant, if you are lying static at this moment, it will encourage you to get up and start running towards your goals and dreams. It will inspire you to set your goals and dreams, your aims, your objectives of your life if you don't have one currently. It is just like one person pinching the other person, which shakes up the pinched person. So at this point in time, this particular sun, your soul is gonna get stirred up by the planet Rahu as well as Ketu. And these combination of planets are gonna give you positive results. You know, in this video, I'm not gonna make any predictions about the moon signs and ascendants. If you want the predictions of solar eclipse for the 4th of December 2021, then you can watch my video on this iCard here. You can listen to the predictions of solar eclipse for y'all on this particular video. Well, seeing the planetary positions and the solar eclipse on the 4th of December 2021, I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all that you must go all out at this point in time. You must be willing to do the things today others won't do in order to have the things tomorrow others won't have. So you need to do certain things in your life which you haven't been doing. Which you haven't been doing in the past. You must be willing to show courage, fearlessness, energy and initiative at this point in time if you want an advantage from this solar eclipse. You must be willing to go all out at this point in time. You should stop thinking about your ideas at this point in time and start implementing your ideas in your life at this point in time. You know, to think is an easy part, but to implement is success. You know, I will give you a very simple formula to get success from life at this point in time. You know, there is a very simple formula for success, and that formula is called go to work. Well, if you are poor, then go to work. If your health is threatened, go to work. If disappointments come, go to work. If you are already rich, continue working. If faith falters and reasons fail, then go to work. If dreams are shattered and hope seems dead, then go to work. If sorrow overwhelms you and your loved ones are untrue to you, dishonest to you, then go to work. If you are burdened with seemingly unfair responsibilities in your life, then go to work. If you are already happy, then keep on working. If you follow this what I have told you, then you will see success during this time as well as in your future. You should go all out with your work at this point in time. You shouldn't think about anything else in your life at this point in time. Your work should be important for you at this point in time. Get engrossed in your work at this point in time. Get busy with your work at this point in time. Because as the saying goes, work is God. So this solar eclipse is gonna encourage you to start working at this point in time. More than reaching your goals and dreams in your life, the most important thing is work. The process which you use to get your goals and dreams. And that process is called work. At this point in time, you should make a conscious effort to set your goals and dreams at this point in time if you don't have one. If you think you don't have a goal and dream in your life, then your life is useless. Your life would become like a football playing field which has no goal posts. So imagine playing on that field without goal posts. That football game will not make sense to anyone in this world without a goal post. So your goals and dreams are important. So first set your goals and dreams at this point in time and start working on them. And the human being which you become during the process, during the work which you will be doing to get to your goals and dreams will be the reward of your life. It must be borne in mind that the tragedy of life does not lie in not reaching your goals. But the tragedy of life lies in not having any goals to reach. It isn't a calamity to die with dreams unfulfilled, but it is a calamity not to dream. It is not a disaster to be unable to capture your ideas, but it is a disaster to have no ideas to capture. It's not a disgrace not to reach for the stars, but it is a disgrace not to have any stars to reach. So your goals and dreams are very important in the first place, and then you start working towards them. So at this point in time, life will show you the right path towards your goals and dreams. It will show you how to proceed towards that goals and dreams which you have in your mind. Your goals and dreams challenge you, and hence you have to start working towards those goals and dreams. You have to give your time, effort, energy towards those goals and dreams, and you have to show courage, bravery and fearlessness in reaching your goals and dreams while you are working on those goals and dreams in your life. So this particular solar eclipse will show you the path towards success and prosperity in your life. Forget about those people who are trying to tell you that this solar eclipse will not be a positive one. Stop listening to those videos which are discouraging you, which are debilitating you at this point in time. Some people would tell you that you will be surrounded by problems and difficulties at this point in time. Well, who doesn't face problems and difficulties in their life? Problems and difficulties are very normal in a human being's life. So it is a very normal thing for human beings. So if you face these problems and difficulties, what's new about it? What's unique about it? Millions of people have faced problems and difficulties in the past. Millions are facing currently, and millions and billions are gonna face in the future. Instead of listening about those worries and troubles in your life, you need to start being a warrior. You need to start fighting in your life. You need to go in that fight mode. You need to conquer your fears at this point in time and then move forward with your life. If you worry about your trouble, it doubles. So don't worry about that trouble. Don't trouble that trouble. So at this point in time, you need to be focused. You need to concentrate on your work at this point in time. Well, if you work the way you should, then you are gonna achieve your goals and dreams of your life which you were born for. Every human being on this planet Earth was sent by God to do a particular thing. Every human being has a purpose to come on this planet Earth. A human being is sent by God to do his or her greater work. A human being was not sent on this planet Earth to eat, drink, or sleep. These things an animal can do also. A human being has a greater work to do on this planet Earth. He or she has to make a difference on this planet Earth. He or she has to contribute in making a difference to this planet Earth before they leave this planet Earth. One should try to recognize and decipher the purpose of one's life and then act accordingly in his or her life. So at this point in time, if you set your goals and dreams, if you don't have one, and then start working towards it, then I am certain that you are gonna be very successful and prosperous in your life. And I am certain these planetary positions are gonna help you. The universe is gonna be on your side. Life is gonna be on your side. All you need to do is move forward with a lot of enthusiasm, commitment, energy, focus, concentration, courage and bravery. And then you will see the brighter side of life during the solar eclipse as well as in the future. So be bold and aggressive at this point in time, which I am certain you will be. Yes, you may be stretched by life at this point in time. It may give you some uncomfortable moments at this point in time, but that is alright, because the further the arrow is gonna be shot, the more it has to be pulled back. And if life is pulling you back at this particular moment from that path of your greatness, that means you are gonna be shot very far in your life. You are gonna reach very far in your life in terms of your pursuit towards those goals and dreams. So if life stretches you on the negative side, it pulls you back from that path of your greatness, then don't be afraid. Just move forward with your life anyhow. As I told you, that who doesn't experience pain in his or her life? Everybody does. But at this point in time, don't duck that pain. Don't avoid that pain. Don't ignore that pain. Because pain is everywhere. You can't hide from that pain. If you hide from that pain behind a door, that pain will come there. If you hide yourself under the table, that pain will come there. So if you understand this reality of life, that pain is everywhere, then you might as well face those pains, confront those pains and move forward with your life. You need to fight that pain in such a manner that it gets frightened with your fight. And you will see that pain would vanish in a jiffy. Well, this is all I wanted to tell you all about this 4th December 2021 solar eclipse. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this human life once again. And if you want to enhance your luck in your life, if you want to boost your luck in your life, if you want to increase your luck in your life, then I have several remedies for you. This luck is a very important factor in a human being's life. So why not enhance your luck? Why not boost your luck? I have several remedies to boost your luck, and these remedies which I'm talking about are a fusion of astrological remedies, Vastu remedies, and religious remedies which can be utilized by any person of any religion. And if you want me to pray for you, prayer can move mountains. And if you want me to pray for your health, wealth, prosperity, success, money, property, business, job, career, relationships, love relationships, etc., 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 then also you can contact me. My prayers have worked miracles for people in their lives. And if you want a Vastu visit of your flat, office, residence, factory, etc., 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 then also you can contact me. And if you are hell bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.